In this problem, the forward path transfer function of a unity feedback system is given. It is asked to find the value of k for which the peak resonant magnitude of the closed loop frequency response is 2. Relevant topic has been taught in control engineering course in week 6 lecture 1 by Dr. Ramakrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. We will use the following data to solve this problem. The closed loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given as m of j omega equal to g of j omega plus 1 of g j omega h j omega. Resonant peak is the maximum value of magnitude of mj omega, and the formula to calculate mr is given as 1 by 2 zeta divided by 1 minus zeta square, where zeta is the damping ratio. Let us solve this problem. We know closed loop transfer function is given as Ts is equal to Gs 1 plus Gs, which is equal to K divided by S into S plus 2, 1 plus K divided by S into S plus 2, which is equal to K divided by S into S square plus 2S plus K. Comparing this with standard second order equation, we get 2 zeta omega n is equal to 2 and omega n square is equal to k, which is equal to omega n equal to k. Putting this value of omega n here, we get 2 zeta root k is equal to 2, which is equal to zeta is equal to 1 by root k. Mr is equal to 1 by 2 zeta root under 1 minus zeta square, which is equal to 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 1 by root k root under 1 minus 1 by zeta square 1 by k equal to 2. This will be 1 by root k, this will be k minus 1 by k is equal to 4, which is equal to root k is k by root k minus 1 is equal to 4, which is equal to k square equal to 16 k minus 1, which is equal to k square minus 16k plus 16 is equal to 0. Solving this, we will get k is equal to 14.93 and 1.07. So we are getting two values of k, which is 14.93 and k equal to 1.07. So we will check the corresponding value of zeta. Zeta is equal to 1 by root k, so 1 by 14.93, which is equal to 0.26, and here zeta is equal to 1 by root over 1/7, which is equal to 0.97. We know resonant frequency is given as omega n root under 1 minus 2 zeta square. For real omega r, we need to get 1 minus 2 zeta square greater than 0, which implies zeta square greater than half, which implies zeta greater than 1 by root 2, which is almost equal to 0.707. We check that for k equal to 14.93, zeta is 0.29, and for k is equal to 1.07, zeta is equal to 0.97. Hence, this zeta is invalid. Hence we get K equal to 14.93 as our solution. In this problem, the forward path transfer function of a unity feedback control system was given. It was asked to find the value of K, for which the peak resonant magnitude MR of the closed loop frequency response is 2. We get the value of K as 14.93.